Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to monitor nitrogen dioxide over a specific period using Sentinel-5 product. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. In order to define a study area, it's better to find an area that the concentration of nitrogen dioxide would be a little higher than other area. I'm gonna go to this area. To do this, I'm gonna draw a rectangle and again cover, let's say, my study area. As you can see, it's added here successfully. In order to go further, I'm gonna use map dot center object, copy my geometry, paste here, and add it as a layer. Again, I have to paste my copied file here. Okay. These are the let's say codes related to define your study area. Now in the second step, I have to save my code. As I said, it's related to NO2 concentration. Save. It's saved successfully. Okay, as you can see here, the name is appeared here, and I have to run the code. Okay, successfully run it. In the second step, I have to find, let's say, Sentinel-5 product. This is related to NO2 or nitrogen dioxide. We have offline and also we have a near real time. The difference between these are near real time products are provided, let's say, dataset for a small area. However, these are for a large scale. Depends on your need, you can use which one you are interested. For example, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, as you can see here, the data availability from 2018, the ID of the let's say product, a brief explanation regarding this product, different bands, and also image properties we have here, and term of use. Okay, we need this ID. I have to copy it, then back to my code, write NO2 in order to call my product. For calling, I'm gonna use image collection and paste the copied, let's say, ID here. In the next step, I have to define my study area. For this one, I'm gonna use filter bonds. And as I said before, the study area is geometry. It's here. Paste here. Again, I have to define my specific time. For this, I'm gonna use filter date. Sorry. Okay. For this purpose, I'm gonna define a term that's related to winter, because as I understand, the concentration of NO2 is much more higher than in winter is much more higher than other seasons. For this one, I'm gonna choose March 1st until the end of this month. Again, in the next step, I have to select the bands that I'm interested in monitoring. In order to select this one, I have to go again to my product, and from bands I can see density here. You can choose the other, let's say, bands that you are interested in monitoring, but for now I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I have to put it here, and in the next step I'm gonna monitor my NO2 concentration based on a chart. In order to do this, I'm gonna use map and function. Inside the function, I'm gonna define img. From img, I'm saying that return img and copy all the properties of this data to the other. img, and I have to define my time start and also time end in order to show it on my chart. In order to do this, I'm gonna use system time start, that it's here from 1st of March, and time end would be end of March, that is here. Okay, until now it's okay, and I can go to the next step. I called my collection and I collected NO2 for the month March. Now I have to define my chart. In order to do this, I'm gonna use chart UI chart dot image would be a good option, and from image I'm gonna do this for time series. Inside the time series, I have to define different features of, let's say, this product. For the first time, I have to save from this product the study area that I defined before, that it should be geometry. Again, in the next one, I have to define reducer min. This option would provide us with saying that how to aggregate all the, let's say, data from here collection. This one. Okay. The next one, I have to define the spatial resolution of my collection. I can go to the product. From product, we can see from bands it's almost 1 kilometer. And finally, system time start, saying that from this time it's gonna start my chart. Okay. The next step of defining the chart, I have to define which type of chart I'm interested in seeing. For this one, I'm gonna use set chart type. There are various types of chart. I'm gonna use line chart. In the second step, third step, I have to define some options for my chart. For example, the title. Title would be NO2 Okay, for each axis I'm gonna say the title would be year that it's showing, or we can put it in months if we are doing it for just 1 month, and v axis would be title. You can choose whatever you want, but for me here I have to define carefully. And also the line widths, that should be, I'm saying for line widths 2 is okay. And for the last one I'm gonna give it color. Trees. From series, I'm saying that color would be green, and okay, no, yeah, okay. Now it's okay, everything is down. Now I can save and my code. Now everything is okay, and I can print the result, I mean the chart. If I run the code, we can see the produced chart here. Okay. In the green, we can see the concentration of NO2 over 1 month. It's almost, I think it's calculated for every day or for every 2 days. You can see in some days we have the higher concentration. If we are interested in using this data in other software, we can use this one. For example, this is the format of CSV, and we can do this, and we can save the NO2. If I open the website file, we can see its concentration over 1 month. That are very useful. We can do whatever we are interested, or we can download as a PNG file. Okay, that's it.